let's continue working on this movie. So now, go back to your project panel. Here, you click this double arrow, and then go back to project panel by clicking this once. And grab this bring on the night.ai, that's Illustrator file, and grab this and drag it to the screen and drop it. Great. I'm going to lock this cityscape.mov because I don't want to mess with it. So now I'm on bring on the night layer, and I want to make these words white. So while I'm on the layer and the was selected, I go to Effect and Generate and Fill. Well, it made it red, but here you can change to white. So if you have EPS file or AI file, that's Illustrator file, you can change the color directly in After Effects through Effect and Generate Fill. And you can change the color here on Effect Control under Fill. That's an effect called Generate Fill. Okay, and now let's make this white letter look like it has depth. So to do that, go. Let's drop shadow on these letters. Go to Effect, Perspective again, drop shadow. So now it has shadow and it kind of looks like it has some depth now. And now I want to make these words appear from left to right. Showing each letter, one letter at a time, like B-R-I-N-G, O-N-T-H-E-N-I-G-H-T. So I want to use mask to reveal each word in order. So how do you do that? I'm going to use a rectangle mask and change its shape so that only one letter at a time will reveal. So you select this layer, bring on the night, because I want to put a mask over it, and select this rectangle tool. If you double click a shape tool while you are on the layer you want to put mask on, the shape tool automatically calculates the size of the graphic object on the screen and create a shape that's just right size for the graphic object. So I'll do that. Double click this, okay? Double click. See? It created the shape just right for this graphic size. And here you see mask 1. So, and this shape is all the way, including all the words from B to T, it reveals everything. And when this rectangle is not covering anything, then it hides the letters. You'll see what I mean. So I want to reveal everything around like 3 seconds around here. So I'm going to create keyframe. And I will make keyframe through mask path. So I created a keyframe. This is where I want to reveal all the words. But in the beginning, I want to hide it, hide these words and reveal it one letter by one letter. So I go back to the starting frame 0 and hit Command T if you are using PC, hit Ctrl T while you are on the mask shape you want to change the shape of. So Command T or Ctrl T, that will let you have this like transform come up. If you don't like to do that way, you can always go to Edit and should have like transform. Sorry. Actually, it's under layer. I'm sorry. Don't go to edit. Go to layer and then transform, and you can click scale. And then this, you will see this. And you can now change the size of it. So in the beginning of this animation, I don't want to reveal any letters. So I am making this mask very small so that it's not revealing anything. And so because I changed the path of this shape, it created a new keyframe. So now let's see the animation in the preview. See? The shape is changing from here to there, revealing everything. What I did was, so let's see. So the starting frame has very small rectangle, and I'm revealing, I animated the mask path so that this mask will change its shape to reveal letters one by one. Do you see that? So when you animate a mask, make sure first you create a keyframe of at the point you want to reveal everything. So first make a keyframe that you want to reveal everything later in the animation, and then go back to the beginning or wherever you want to start animating the mask to reveal something. In this case, I started doing this at the beginning of this animation, like this. So that's how you animate mask.